Welcome to Battery Hacker. Today, we're talking about a small but very useful battery, the Mighty Max YTX4L-BS. It is a 12-volt rechargeable battery designed for motorcycles, scooters, all-terrain vehicles, and small lawn machines. In this video, we'll take a close look at its features, go over a full review, list out the positives and negatives, and share an honest opinion at the end. If you're looking for a reliable battery for a small engine vehicle, this video is just for you. Here are the main specs of the Mighty Max. It's a 12-volt battery. It has a 3 amp-hour capacity. Cold cranking amps are 50. It uses absorbent glass mat technology. It's maintenance-free and spill-proof. Dimensions are 4.4 inches in length, 2.9 inches in width, and 3.4 inches in height. It can be mounted in any position. And it comes with a 1-year warranty. Features. This battery is built for small vehicles that need steady performance without needing frequent attention. What I personally liked is that there is no need to add water or check acid levels. It's fully sealed, which makes it clean and safe to use. Because of the absorbent glass mat design, the battery won't leak, even if your bike goes over bumps or rough roads. It also holds its charge well. I tested it in both warm weather and cold mornings, and the engine started without any problem. It's important to know that this battery is best suited for engines below 250 cubic centimeters. If your motorcycle or ATV has a bigger engine, you may need a higher power battery. But for most scooters, small motorcycles, go-karts and lawn equipment, this battery works just fine. Pros and cons. Here are the things I liked and didn't like about the battery. Pros. Very easy to install. No maintenance needed at all. No risk of leaks or spills. Works in both hot and cold weather. Budget-friendly price. Cons. Not strong enough for large motorcycles. No extra parts like brackets or cables included. The terminal screws are a bit small. Be careful while tightening them. Final thoughts. So, should you buy the Mighty Max battery YTX4L-BS? If you have a smaller bike or scooter, and you want something that's easy to use, safe and affordable, then yes, this battery is a great choice. It's dependable, hassle-free, and does exactly what it's supposed to do. If you want to learn more or buy this battery, I've added a link below in the description. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Battery Hacker for more battery reviews made simple. See you in the next video.